have a good one. Today we are installing this Audiocontrol lc-5.1300. This is a 5-channel amplifier. Right here we have 4 30-amp fuses. This will accept anywhere from 4 to 0 gauge power and ground, and then you have your remote right there in the middle. You do have a dedicated front, rear, and sub for the RCA low-level input, but then you also have speaker high-level input. So what that means is if you have an aftermarket radio, you can run 3 sets of RCAs to control your whole system, or if you have a factory radio, you don't need a line output converter. But the client did not want to use any RCAs. We're actually going to use 2 sets of non-wire, speed wire, multi-conductor wire, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to get our signal through our speaker level outputs, and we're going to use this to do it. So this right here is a vehicle specific audio integration T-harness made by PAC. And then, ooh, check that out. Now we could take these speaker wires and go towards our high level signal, and then we could take these speaker wires and go towards our output on our amp. And if this guy wanted to take this system out, all we have to do is unplug the whole thing and plug his factory radio harness back inside the car, and then take everything out, and he is good to go, because we did not actually cut anything with this harness. The amplifier actually has the GTO technology. When the car come on, this is going to sense when the radio's on, and then it's going to go ahead and do output. So as far as the remote turn on, we don't actually need it, because we will be able to use the GTO signal sense.